The chatbot is not only able to read the documentation but also to directly open the menu item requested by the backend user. Let's imagine that an admin user needs to configure all elements required to create a work order, but does not know where to find the work cycle menu item. The user can manually search it on the menu by opening more items or directly ask the chatbot to find it. The user types "Go to Work Cycle menu" and the chatbot automatically finds the correct menu item and suggests it. In the example provided, the chatbot does not redirect the user to the official documentation, as it recognizes the real need from the request. In this case, only requiring the chatbot to suggest the menu item. But how does it work? To understand it better, we will introduce the new functional architecture. Let's explore the chatbot's architecture. The dispatcher interacts with the chatbot features and can choose one of the following options: reading of official documentation and suggestion of FSM menu items automatically. To do this, the chatbot invokes an Amazon Web Service named Lex, which is the real bot. Amazon Web Service Lex takes in charge the request and search it on Amazon Web Service Kendra, another Amazon Web Service containing a copy of the related Confluence product documentation published on the community portal and used by the bot to search the correct answers. Therefore, it is always necessary to ensure that Amazon Web Service Kendra documentation is updated for the bot to search the answer on the latest version available. Kendra also allows to manage and store more documentation copies, one for each version. Upon terminating the search, the bot returns the most confident page and extracts the most relative content. But how does the chatbot work? Let's see step by step. Before starting using the chatbot, it is necessary to correctly configure it. In the System Parameters file, Constraint tab define the community host and Confluence Space ID parameters. They are used by the chatbot to create the final community pages link. The community host is the host of the community portal, while the Confluence Space ID is the identification of the official documentation's Confluence space, and it changes version by version, allowing to define the version to use. Another important parameter is the app name, used to identify the source type. It must be the same as next-gen server. The dispatcher asks the chatbot how to configure the team suggestion algorithm. The chatbot invokes Amazon Web Service to search the result on the official documentation, as explained before. The result will include the most relevant text extracted from the most confident documentation page. If the page describes how to use the menu item, the chatbot automatically suggests it. How? The configurator user inserts a tag related to the menu item in the page. For example, the AI configuration tag refers to the configuration menu item of machine learning algorithms. Moreover, the AI configuration tag is linked to the related menu item path of the FSM project. The configuration of these two tags, either on the documentation page or on the menu file, creates the link between them for the chatbot to suggest the correct menu item. If the user requests the chatbot to open a given menu item, the process will remain the same, except for the fact that the chatbot will not display the information on the documentation page, as it recognizes the user's true intention, in this case requiring to open that menu item. Let's see now a quick demo. Before using the chatbot feature, let's check if it is correctly configured. In this page, it is possible to check if all the necessary parameters are properly configured. App name, to identify the source type, in this case next-gen server. Community host, to create the link to the community page in the chat. And Confluence Space ID, to filter the chatbot search on the Amazon Web Service. If it is okay, we can start using the chatbot. Let's type how to configure the team suggestion algorithm. The result will contain the following: text extract from the official documentation, linked to the community page, feedback request, Suggestion of the menu item. By clicking on the link, the community page referring to the configuration of the theme suggestion algorithm is opened. Let's now check the related Confluence page. At the bottom of the page, two tags are displayed: AI models and AI task configuration. They are related to the menu items suggested in the chat. By opening them, the user lands on the configuration page of tasks and models. Another feature is the Go To menu option, making it possible for the user to ask the chatbot to open a specific menu item, such as the work cycle menu. The process is the same as the one provided before. The chatbot searches work cycle on the official documentation, but will only show the suggested menu item, without the text results.